Welcome back to another vlog. As you guys read by the title, we're doing a cozy vlog, a night routine version, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna go to Publix and we're gonna get cookies because I want to bake tonight. We also need to start making dinner because it's currently 7 p.m. and we just finished walking the dogs, which it is so freaking hot. I put a sweater on because I just want to be cozy. I live in Florida, if you guys didn't know, and it is 81 degrees right now. Feels like it's 100, probably because we were just like walking a bunch. Also, look how cute my polka dot brown nails are. I did like pink polka dots and I'm obsessed with it. This just gives all the fall vibes. Anyways, let's head to Publix. About getting this like lemonade thing. It has no sugar and I'm trying to not drink sugar because of my skin, but yeah, I really want lemonade but without sugar, so I'm gonna get this.
Once upon a time.
Guys, he has the new iPhone 17. Look how bright that is. It blinded me. Okay, we just came out of Publix. We got Reese's filled pretzels. I didn't even get this. It was Caleb's, so I'm not even a big fan of Reese's. That's actually really good.
10 out of 10.
I think without the pretzels inside, I don't really like it, but with the pretzels, it's actually really good. Okay, we're back from Publix. I'm gonna give you guys a haul. Nothing like huge, because honestly, the only reason why I went there is because I needed cookies. Got more than cookies, obviously. First off, of course, we got the cookies. I got this pumpkin one that like they always have every year. I got cinnamon rolls, coffee, soda, the raspberry rose flavor. Caleb got his Arizona tea, and I of course got my lemonade that I showed you guys. Now let's start cooking dinner because time now is 8, and all I want to do is be in bed right now.
What is that camera right there?
Hi to the vlog. Onions are the worst. Dinner was so good and I am so full, so is Caleb, but now we're gonna do the dishes and like clean the kitchen. I like to clean the kitchen before I shower and like before getting into bed. I like having just a clean house in general, so I kind of just tidy everything up, especially after dinner. We're gonna get it done. Up with my shower, and look how cute these little pajamas are. It's a set and it's from H&M, and I am obsessed with these pajamas. Like, I am till this day obsessed, and I got it last fall, so yeah, I don't know if they still sell it. Anyways, I want to show you guys kind of like what I do after the shower. I didn't even put anything on, like deodorant, the product I use for perfume, which shocker, yes, I do use perfume before I go to sleep. Just the type of person that loves to smell good no matter what. Even though I put body wash, I did all the shower things and I feel clean, I still want to put perfume and go that extra step. So I use this Saltaire body mist. It's nothing like too strong, but just a little something. I love this smell. It's this one, I don't know the name, but I just sprayed this all over my hair also because I didn't wash my hair. I washed it like 2 days ago and it's still not greasy, so I'm gonna try to keep it that way. Also guys, I've been wanting to dye my hair like fully brown, so also this part. Recently I dyed it like all brown over here, maybe some highlights, but mainly brown, just like lots of blonde in the front, so it makes it look like my hair is very blonde, but it's not. It's pretty brown in the back. Comment down below if I should do it. For deodorant, I have the Saltaire Driftwood that they just came out with, or I like to use the Way, which at nighttime I like to use this one. Nothing like too strong, but for something stronger, this is what I use during the day, like in the morning. This one's like a liquid one and it just smells so good. For body oil, I like to go in with the Osea body oil, and I just put this all on my legs. legs. And this is the secret to having really soft skin. Trust me, Caleb says that my skin is so soft, and I'll just take whatever he says. And then I put this lotion, and this is like what tops it off. It's the Amazing Grace Philosophy lotion, and I'm obsessed with it. As you guys can tell, I'm like almost done. It smells so clean, like clean girl. That's the smell that this is. And I also like to go, I also put the body oil on my elbows because they get really dry around that point. When I was little, fun fact, I fell off my skateboard and then I got this big bruise that took my whole skin off. I probably needed stitches. That's what happens when you try to do tricks. I was really dumb. Anyways, those are my favorite body products after the shower. Not sponsored. Okay, and then for hair, I've been working on my health journey and like growing my hair out. That's why I dyed it brown, which is what my natural hair is. I just want it to grow out at this point. I like don't want dead hair anymore. So what I do first, I put this hair sauce oil. This is worth every penny. Like, I know it's so expensive and I honestly didn't even want to buy it at first. After I used it, my hair has drastically had a change. So trust me when I say this, like, this is the only oil that I've tried that doesn't compare to any oil that I've used out there. It takes out all the frizz. Like, guys, look at that. I'm also kind of trying to grow out these like layers. I don't like them at all. They just look so choppy and not cute. So I just want to grow it out. And here's another Kerastase product that I'm obsessed with. It's this night serum. If you were to buy the oil or the night serum, I'd probably say night serum. I put about this much on my hand, so 2 pumps, and then rub it in. I start with my ends and then I just work my way up. And basically, let me tell you what this does. It literally takes all of the frizz, makes your hair smell so good, protects your hair from any damage, like especially if you move a lot in the night and you don't really wear like a silk pillowcase or anything like that. This so good. Also, another thing I like to do is just put my hair half up, half down. I just feel more comfortable like that. Like at the end of the night, I just don't want my hair in my face and I'm gonna be on my computer for a little bit watching a movie or something like that. So I just like having it put up in a little clip where my hair is still down. I don't look like a boy and I still feel kind of cute. So anyways, that's everything for now. Later I'm gonna do skincare. This is the candle I like to have lit up in our room. I got it recently at Home Goods and it smells so good. We're almost done. As you guys can tell, I'll leave it burning for too long, but it is so good. Also, you guys, I've been loving my nightstand. It is so pretty. I'll have it linked down below, but it basically has a charging port right here, which is absolutely crazy. And it wasn't like a break a bank type of price, so I just like am so obsessed. It has so much space. And then I also keep all of my essentials in here. It looks like really messy. Don't know what's this doing here. Okay, low-key exposing myself now. But basically, what I'm doing now is making my wallpaper for fall. I like totally forgot about doing it this year, which I make a wallpaper for every season. So I currently have the one from summer. It's currently October now, so obviously we need to switch that up. I just never thought about changing it because I live in Florida, so honestly I'm still stuck in summer all year long. Literally, I started it and never finished, but she's looking so cute. So far we got some fall leaves, a little heart that says autumn, pumpkin, baking. I really want to start baking more often. I have been obsessed with cooking so far, and honestly you guys have been seeing that I love cooking at the moment. I'm honestly in my cooking era. Like, if you've been here for a long time, you know I was really bad in the kitchen. I could not be trusted in the kitchen. I'm really proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie. I'm making some bussin' food in which you guys could all try it. Yesterday, I made these crunch wraps and they were so good. Like, so good. But the one that I did today was like super easy. I didn't really talk about it, but it was just red sauce with some green pepper. Next time I want to add red pepper in it. And then I also put some beef, rice, put it all together, and it was really good. It's just so easy to make. I've never made it before. She's so sleepy. She took a bath the other day and she got a whole fall reset. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm talking way too much. Guys, I'm officially done with my wallpaper and I'm actually obsessed with it more than the summer one because this is just like such cozy vibes and I love the cozy vibe. I'm honestly so in between fall and summer. Like, I don't know which one I love more. Comment down below which one you love more because they're both just so good, but fall is just the best. Like, oh, I kind of messed up here. I'm gonna fix this later, but yeah, I love Pinterest and I love my new wallpaper. I'll probably put it on my Pinterest so you guys can like use it if you guys want to. Now we're gonna be baking some cookies. This is so cute for fall. I'm obsessed with these cookies. I get them like literally every year. And today's October 1st, which I literally forgot to tell you guys, but it's currently 12, about to be 12. That's embarrassing. But I like to just like chill on my phone for a little bit. Like, I'm just being honest with you guys. I've been sleeping pretty late, and that's because of my phone. But I also just like taking it slow, especially during the fall. Like, we don't need to rush for everything. Maybe in the winter time I'll like fix my sleeping schedule, but for now, you know, I'm fine. I literally said I was not gonna eat sugar, and here I am about to make cookies. Like, what is wrong with me? But it's okay. As long as I'm eating like a lot less than I usually do, then I feel like it's fine. I'm gonna place these here because the oven's almost ready to put them in. I got like the biggest pan for this. Like, I did not need this big, but it's okay. I don't think we're gonna do too much. Maybe just like 9. I don't want to do too much. I think I'm just gonna stick to 9 cookies because I don't want to have too much, especially before I go to sleep. I just want like a small sweet treat, and I feel like these cookies are just fine for that, and we'll like make it another day. Also, another thing I like to have during the fall season is these Chobani S'mores yogurt. It is literally so good. Myself a sleepy girl mocktail, except I didn't put the magnesium in it, which helps like fall asleep. It's just a powder. I just decided to use this cherry tart that I just got at Target. We also have the cranberry one, which I believe is better than this one, but I just want to finish it and not throw away and waste it. And then I also put this poppy raspberry rose flavor into it, and it's just like so good. I'm gonna put the powder in it because I think it makes it like 10 times better. Oh my gosh. Can you guys spot Mel right now? She's literally laying on my side and she looks so cute. I think she's falling asleep. She's a little cutie. She's so cute. Oh my. Me trying to get like an aesthetic clip or a cute clip of me just showing my cookies and they fall. Time to do some skincare. I'm gonna do it like really quickly because I'm exhausted right now, and that's my fault. But the thing I like to do is brush my teeth, because when I do my skincare before I brush my teeth, it can just take out all the skincare around your mouth. So that's like a little tip for you if you want your skincare to stay on in that area. Brush your teeth first. Okay, so now I'm going to remove my makeup. I like to use the micellar cleansing water to remove it all. And I basically just put them on these cotton rounds. And this is the best part of the night routine, taking it all off. Once the makeup's off, I use the foaming cleanser by this brand. I don't even know the name. Just kidding. I know the name. I don't know how to pronounce it. So we're gonna act like I don't know the name. And I basically just put this all over my face. Also, when it comes to skincare, I like to use another type of like cloth just for my skin. And then I switch it out every like 2 days instead of using like your towel that you use every day in the shower. So I just think it's more clean for your skin. Tatcha moisturizer. I love this Tatcha moisturizer because it definitely will make your skin feel so moisturized. And then lastly, I go in with the Rhode Glazing Milk, and this is what makes my skin look so glowy after taking off my makeup. Like, I am obsessed with this product. I don't know what Hailey Bieber did, but she did really good because I love my skin after I take off my makeup. That's literally it for my skincare. Like, I don't need anything else. I think when it comes to skincare, we all feel like we need a bunch of things and all these products that all these TikTokers are showing and everything, but in reality, you really don't need much. You just need like 1 or 2 products that will work best for you instead of using a bunch, and they're so expensive. Like, skincare is genuinely so expensive. I recommend just sticking to like 2, just like a good cleanser, good moisturizer, and a glazing milk or something like that. Yeah, that's everything that I do for my skincare. Now we're gonna go to bed, and I have a whole nother routine when I get to bed. Okay, now we're in bed, but basically, first thing I do, I love to put this Aquaphor lip repair on my lips. This will help all of your cracked lips problem. Like, literally, winter's coming up, so you need this. You don't need anything like expensive. Like, this is such a good cheap thing, and it lasts you forever, like, even though it's so little. And then I like to use the Babe Lash serum. I recently got this on TikTok, and I have been absolutely loving it. Like, I feel like my eyelashes have really grown. I basically just put this on my eyelash, literally. And then lastly, I like to use this Deep Sleep pillow spray, and I just spray this obviously on my pillow. I love this silk pillowcase. It's from Kitch, and I think it does wonders with like skin and hair. I definitely recommend a silk pillowcase. You can find one on Amazon, but the Kitch one is one that I've been sticking with for so long. Search up all the benefits with silk pillowcases, and you will literally instantly buy it because it's It's so good. But apparently the scent is supposed to help you go to sleep. I've gotten comments asking me if it works or not. I don't know. I mean, your girl's been drinking this, has magnesium in it. It could be this, it could be this. I don't know. Like, I do so many things to help me sleep because I am not the best at falling asleep fast when it comes to sleep. So your girl thinks too much. Spray that both sides. And then also another step is like sleep gummies. Again, I also don't know if this like really works, but I love these Lemmy sleep gummies. They're really good and they have so many other good things like blow, and I just definitely recommend them. But tonight we're not gonna take it because I already have like magnesium in me and like I don't need much more. But anyways, we're gonna go to sleep. It's currently 1 a.m. I don't think you guys would believe me if I said that, but we're keeping it real and honest. Like, sometimes I sleep early, sometimes I don't. It really just depends on the mood that I'm in and what I'm doing the next day. Tomorrow I'm just gonna be like editing, so I'm probably just gonna sleep in because that's really it. If I had a lot of other things to do after editing, I would probably wake up at 6 a.m. or 5 and sleep early. But since I know what the plans are for tomorrow, which I like to plan everything ahead during the day, I know I don't have to wake up early, so we should be good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below the fall emoji for fall and let me know what other fall videos you guys want to see, since it's finally October and I feel like it's officially time for fall, if you know what I mean. Like, September feels like fall, but October is where it really feels like fall, and then November is Christmas. But anyways, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. We're almost at 1 million, which is absolutely crazy, and I'm still in shock. We're literally like 2K away. Like, I literally cannot believe I'm in shock. Anyways, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.